Hello guys, in this class we start our new topic, female reproductive system. Firstly, the introduction of the female reproductive system. The female reproductive system is specialized to support the process of gametogenesis, ovulation, fertilization, pregnancy, birth and child care. The parts of female reproductive system are ovary, oviduct, uterus, cervix, vagina, external genitalia, and mammary glands. Now we will study about these parts separately. First one is the ovaries. These are ductless gland or endocrine glands, and the ovary held by the membrane beside the uterus on the each side of the lower abdomen. The ovaries have two main reproductive functions in the body. First one is that they produce oocytes or egg, and second one is that they produce the reproductive hormone estrogen and progesterone. The second part of female reproductive system is the oviduct. The passageway from the ovary to the outside of the body is known as oviduct. These are also known as uterine tube or fallopian tube. The function of oviduct is to pass the egg from the ovary. The third part of the female reproductive system is the uterus. The uterus is the hollow, pear-shaped organ of the female reproductive system located between the bladder and the rectum. The uterus plays an important role in the human reproduction, that is, the organ where the implantation and nourishment of the fertilized ovum takes place, and it also helps pushing out the baby during birth through muscle contraction. The fourth part is the cervix. Lowest region of the uterus attaches the uterus to the vagina and provide the passage between uterine cavity and vaginal cavity. The function of the cervix is to allow flow of menstrual blood from the uterus to the vagina and directs the sperm into the uterus during intercourse. Then in the next video, we will study about the remaining parts of the female reproductive system. Till then, bye bye and thanks for watching my video.